All right, welcome back to another video. I'm going to be reviewing a new task calendar app that I just started using probably about 2 weeks ago now. I was just in search of something that is easy to use and simple and simplistic, but had the features that I was looking for. Prior to this, I was using the Motion, I think it's called Motion app. It's a calendar app that has like smart features that moves, your calendar around based on what tasks and stuff you've done for that day. But it was honestly just expensive. For one user, it's like $35, and for the features that it has, it was pretty good, but I don't think it was worth the price that I was paying for it. And I was using it for, business and my YouTube stuff and kind of all my different, ventures that I'm doing currently. And it just didn't seem worth it to me. So I've been in a search for a new calendar app, and I stumbled upon this one, and I haven't really heard of it prior to me finding it. So I kind of wanted to share, and I really like it so far. So basically, it's called Tweek. So Tweek Calendar is a minimal weekly planner and to-do list app. And just so you know, this video is not sponsored by them. I just stumbled across it and found it myself. So all these thoughts are my own. So basically, you have a bunch of different, features that you can use within this app. So you have reminders, plan stickers with colors and themes. You can sync it with your Google Calendar. I believe you can also do Apple Calendar as well. But you can do your calendar app for your iPhone or Android. You can do reoccurring tasks. So if you have, things you need to do multiple days during the week, you can do a reoccurring task. So this is really nice. You're able to print the actual templates that you have, or your actual list that you have as well. So really nice to be able to print that out for people who want to be able to do it, on paper. And then you have multiple calendars, shared calendars as well to add there, and then obviously like notes and checklists and subtasks. And it's available on, iOS and your Android devices, as well as, using it on your desktop with the web. So you can use this on, pretty much any desktop that you have, whether it's Linux, Windows, or Mac. I honestly just like the way it flows and the ease of use of it. So if you can see here, I don't have all of my calendars and stuff all running just yet, but I have like different appointments, and I put in like different videos that I want to record going forward, when I want to live stream. And then I have some of my business stuff in there as well. Still need to fill out, quite a bit there. So it does look a little light right now, but so yeah, so it's really simple. So like if this meeting was moved, I can literally just drag it, to a different day. And it's just that simple, and it's easy to use. And you can create all of these different columns at the bottom here for different things that you want. I can literally just add another column if I wanted to, or move these other columns around. But I'm going to start putting all my links in here. So I like my Discord invite link. And so I can have this very quick and easy to, just grab it when I'm, messaging somebody or on a comment or something. And so I have this on my phone as well. So I can grab that whenever I need to as well. So it's, simple and easy to use. The phone app is actually really simplistic. It's just like in a more of a list view with all of these things, going straight down instead of across like this. So I have like some of my affiliate links and different tech that I want to, review down the road. I'm going to start putting in my, video ideas. Someday is the one that like by default is down here for these columns. So I just haven't deleted it, and I just might use it for if I want to put stuff down that I want to get to, someday. But it's just really nice and simplistic, and I kind of feel like it's just a underrated calendar app. A lot of people, either use Google Calendar, like Monday, and there's so many different, calendar and task tools out there. But for someone that has multiple ventures, and you can color code all these different things, so I can click on this one and change the color if I want to. I can add links, I can add subtasks, I could just type directly in here. I can add bullet points, or I can, change the font and bold it and everything. So it has, pretty much all the features that you can that you typically need. Obviously, could have more as far as the text editing goes there, but it's going for that simplistic, feel. So just not a bunch in your face. A lot of these other ones are kind of, it just has a lot going on, and I just want to just jump in, make a note, and get out. I don't need it to be, super complicated and folders upon folders and all this other stuff. Like, I just want to make it simple, maybe color coded based on the category that I want it to be in, and then boom, like that's it. And it just makes it, super easy. I can make this recurring if I want it to be daily, weekly, weekdays, whatever. And then I can do custom if I want to. And then it has the option to let's just jump this to tomorrow. I can jump this to next week if I want to. And I can jump it down to Sunday, or someday rather, the default one that you have here, duplicate it, or I can add a file to it as well. So you can add, different files and stuff as well. I thought this is just a really cool calendar app. This video is actually going to be sponsored by Swift Do PDF. So this is a fast online PDF converter. What it does is basically you can do any type of PDF to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, PDF to JPEG, and back and forth for all of your different type of PDF, needs and tools. And it also has a bunch of other things you can do with it as well. So you have the convert option, you have merging. We can obviously view PDFs as well, press them, you can create new ones, annotate and sign. So it has different types of options that you can go in. It's very quick and easy to do and use. It also has a cloud option, so you can have it pretty much anywhere. And it's available on Windows, iPad, Android, and Mac. And they do have a web online version, so you can use it on your Linux desktop as well. It would be really nice if they did add a dedicated Linux option, but for now you can use the online tool version for that. And it's actually priced really well. So monthly for the plan here is just $16 a month, or if you pay for 2 years, you can get it down to $2.88. And then you have a perpetual license, which I really like when companies do this. Not a lot of companies do this, but to be able to pay one time and just be done with it, it's just a great feature to just have it for life. So if you have the funds to be able to do it, you can just go in and do that really quickly, and then you're good to go. So yeah, back to the video. So yeah, to kind of sum things up, I definitely feel like this is a underrated calendar app that is just I just haven't seen much on it. So I wanted to throw this out there for you guys to see and maybe for you guys to start using it. They do have a free version, and a paid version as well. The paid version is only like $4 a month. It's really cheap for a as much features as it has, compared to the one I was using before, like I said, was upwards around $35, which is, kind of just crazy. I'm surprised I actually paid for it, but so yeah, so if you do like these type of product reviews, or software reviews, please let me know in the comments below, and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.